Namaste everyone. Inhale and take your arms up. Join your palms together. If not possible, keep your palms separate. Keep your arms straight, shoulders down, and breathe here. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. As you take next inhalation, bend back. Keep pushing your hips forward. Knees are absolutely straight. Shoulders are still down, neck long. Gentle back bend. Inhale and exhale. On next inhalation, come up to Utkatasana or chair pose. See that your pelvis is tucked in. Lower back is not arching. Inhale here and exhale. You can keep your arms parallel to the floor if it is too difficult for you, or keep your palms up. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale one more time. As you exhale, lift the right leg up, stretch the right leg behind, extend your arms forward for warrior 3. If you cannot keep your arms up, you can place your palms on the floor. Otherwise, stay here, back foot pointing down completely. Stay here and breathe. And next inhalation, place your right foot down, coming up to a high lunge. See that the back knee is straight, heel is pointing straight up. Stay here and breathe. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale. As you exhale, take your arms behind, interlock your fingers. And inhale, take your head up, look up, gentle back bend. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Next inhalation, place the back foot down, and as you exhale, bend forward. Modified warrior 1, forward bend, bringing the head close to the left foot, taking your arms behind, away from the body. Stay here. And as you inhale, back heel off the floor, extend the arms forward. See that your stomach is not resting on the left thigh. Keep the back knee absolutely straight. Stay and breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, take the right arm down, left arm reaches up to the sky for a twist. Chest close to the left knee. Stay. Inhale and exhale. Next inhalation, take your left foot behind into a side plank. Keep lifting the hips higher. You can keep your feet separate if you cannot keep the feet one on the top of each other. Stay here and breathe. And next step, bring the right foot down, left foot pointing up. Just for a moment, and then bring the palms down into a plank pose. Stay here. Inhale and exhale into downward facing dog. One foot at a time, pedaling your feet one after the other. Keep breathing. Move your hips side to side here. Relax in downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stay here. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Next inhalation, bend your knees, jump or walk in front. Inhale, lift your head up. Exhale, bend forward. Do a forward bend. You can keep your knees softly bent here. And exhale here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, come up into Utkatasana, chair pose. Stay here. See that the lower back is not arching. Keep your pelvis tucked in. Arms can be at shoulder level or keep your arms up. Keep breathing. Inhale and come up. Straighten up. back bend. Stay here, breathe. Take a moment. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. And next inhalation, come up to Utkatasana. Chair pose. Lower back straight. Keep your pelvis tucked in. Remember that. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale into Warrior 3. Taking the left leg behind this time. Left toes pointing down. Right knee can be gently bent. Arms extending in front or placed on the floor. Choice is yours. Keep breathing. Inhale into a high lunge. Left foot down on the floor. Slide that left foot back completely. Arms straight up. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Take your arms behind. Interlock your fingers. Come up. Back bend. Take your head behind and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Place the back foot down, heel on the floor, and as you exhale, bend forward, head to toe. Hands behind, fingers interlocked. Stay here, breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. And as you exhale, lift the back heel off the floor, extend your arms in front. Stay here and breathe. See that your stomach is not resting on the right thigh. And next inhalation, twist. Taking the right arm up, left arm on the floor, chest close to the right knee. And breathe here. Exhale here. Inhale. And as you exhale, take your right foot behind into a side plank. Left arm right underneath the shoulder, right arm reaching up. You can keep your feet separate. If you feel feet on the top of each other is too much, keep your feet separate. Then place your right leg down and the left leg goes up. And there. Left toes pointing and come back into a plank and push back into downward facing dog. Exhale here. Walk your feet in place. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Move your hips side to side. Bring your feet together. Next inhalation, take your right foot up and then bring the right leg towards the side, horizontal, parallel to the floor. Inhale, back up. Exhale, parallel to the floor. You can point and flex your toes. Inhale up. Exhale, parallel to the floor. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale, parallel to the floor. One more time. Inhale up. And bring the foot down. Change the side, feet together. Left leg up. Left leg towards the side. Inhale up. Exhale towards the side. See that you're pushing back towards the leg. Inhale up. Exhale towards the side. Inhale back up. Exhale towards the side. Inhale up. Exhale towards the side. Inhale up. And exhale. Downward facing dog again. Stay in downward facing dog for a moment. Walk your feet in place. Shift your hips side to side. Make space. Make space for your abdomen. Make space for your chest. Walk your hands behind towards your feet and exhale into a forward bend. Bend your knees, stomach on thighs, extend your arms in front as you inhale. Exhale here. And next inhalation, come up into Utkatasana, chair pose. Keep breathing. See that your pelvis is tucked in, lower back is straight, and slowly come up. Extend your arms up and bring your palms to heart center. You can say a small prayer at the moment. Thank you for practicing with me. See you all in the next video.